Hello everyone. If you are new to Technith, please subscribe and support me. So here Jio Customer Care Associate. So if you are a female lead or also male lead, you have more chances to get this work from home opportunity. Okay. So if you work 1 hour, you get 3,500. If you work 2 hours, 7,000. 4 hours, 14,000. 6 hours, 20,000. 8 hours, 28,000. So this is how you get. So firstly, you have to start registering. Take an online test, which is very easy. Verify documents. Uh, Next, in-depth learning. Get set and so how to register. So it's a main important question. I will help you to how to register. So firstly, click on name. After that, here write your full name. Okay, like I'm writing my name. Next, enter your mobile number, which are using currently WhatsApp too, because total process registration in within WhatsApp only. Next, date of birth. So after male or female. Next, occupation, student, housewife. If you're a housewife, please select housewife. So next, enter the pin code and next captcha. You have to enter the captcha in this field. After that, click on submit button. Then you will redirect to WhatsApp. Open app. So click on the apply now button. So it asks whether you are a JCA member or not. So here click no. So enter your full name here again. So enter your full name here again. Then after that it will ask enter your pin code again. You have to enter your pin code again. Then wait for a minute. They will show a message like thank you for the details. Our Jio team will get back to you shortly. So your registration process is completed successfully. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want more work from home jobs, please subscribe.